In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a shape in Adobe Illustrator. I have this simple O letter. When I click into the shape, you can see this square appears around my shape. And when I get to the edges, you see this little rotation tool appears. So that now allows me to rotate my shape. So if I hold down Shift, I can rotate it at 45 and 90 degree angles. You can also rotate the shape in another way. If I click the shape, right click, I can go to Transform, Rotate. And here you can get a little more specific about how much you want to rotate and put in a specific angle if you'd like. You want to do 20%, and you can also do negative 20% if you actually wanted it the other way. So we're just going to do a perfect 90 degree rotation and just click OK. So that's how you would rotate a shape using Adobe Illustrator. If you like this video, check out my next video with this quick Illustrator tip. You can try a free 7-day trial of Adobe Illustrator using the link in the description of this video. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Cry Studio. I'll see you in the next video.